Okay, here we go. 7 sites to help you grow your audience. A lot of these are going to be geared towards musicians and bands and such, but a few of these could be for anybody, and anybody just looking to maybe get away from the same stuff as Facebook and Twitter and the likes of that, such as minds.com. Go on over, you type in minds.com, you can find the Killogic Effect over there, of course. We're always adding new content on a daily basis. The setup for Minds is kind of like a Facebook and Twitter mixed together. It's a little censorious in its nature, less censorious, so there's, it's not as, held by the quote-unquote community standards of Facebook. There's all sorts of groups, and obviously music, big thing over there, along with gaming and just your regular news. So it's got an ever-growing audience. It's decentralized as a way to earn cryptocurrency. A lot of the ones I'm going to be talking about today will be a way to get a foothold in cryptocurrency, maybe in your band's names or your artist name, or what have you. But Minds, again, is a great place to set up a site and really get your stuff out there. Another one I check out, newer to me, that was shown to me, was Music Coin. Again, another way to get involved with the cryptocurrency. It uses blockchain technology in order to provide a free experience for the user, and it makes it so the provider of said music gets paid fairly. In fact, they claim more fairly than the regular Spotify's and stuff like that, which I have to say isn't very hard to do. So take that, I guess, with a grain of salt. But again, it is it's a great way to get a foothold and another audience. Again, another captive audience that you could put your music in front of, that might not ever have had seen you otherwise. So Music Coin, again, go check it out. Another one using cryptocurrency blockchain technology, Tune. Tune has been growing for a while. Been keeping an eye on this one for a little while. It's gotten quite the base to it. It's always being added to. It has tons of genres and all sorts of just different awesome music. I found just all sorts of brilliant music on this site, and it's definitely one that I highly recommend. Getting on there, getting in, while the rules are still the way they are, because once these things start to take off, it's nice to be locked in and already have a fan base. But again, another one that you could get a nice little foothold in some cryptocurrency and start to use those things to your advantage. Another one that isn't blockchain driven or stuff like that is Indie Shuffle. Indie Shuffle is more music curated by humans. There's a lot of playlists to be found. The genres there's a lot of them. They are pretty thorough, we'll say. So it does not hurt to get your music on here. Now, what is good about places like this is there's the blogosphere and all of those types of people that also help get music to people like me, DJs, hands, and on the radio, to thousands and thousands of ears. Now, in order to submit to this, you would have to go to a place that is on the list anyway, called Submit Hub. Now, Submit Hub connects you with bloggers and all sorts of other streaming platforms and stuff, and really helps you get some analytics and some things moving. Now, this won't be for everybody. I recommend, though, it can never hurt to submit your music and get it in there and get these types of experiences under your belt and learn what a lot of these places want. This place has been around since 2015. It's 4 going on 5 years old. So again, it's been around a little bit, and they have a base. They have people. They have stuff, numbers worth trying to be a part of. So again, it's I'm not endorsed by any of these people. I don't, these are all just things that I've come across, or people have shown to me that they use or they've used, and I figured I would share with the class. Now, aside from Submit Hub, there are other places that are similar to this. Now, with that being said, at the same time, be careful when you're submitting your music. The things to look out for are, you will learn when you submit your music to more, professional type places. Now, another one is BitChute. BitChute is another decentralized platform. It's much like YouTube in its nature. It has a ton of music, a ton of everything, really. It's a lot less censored, so you won't have as many. If that's a drawback for you on some of the platforms, you won't have as much of a problem on BitChute. Now, all that being said, it is, like I said, it is set up like YouTube and its ideas, but the way that you upload music and the way that works is a little different. But once you get used to it, it's fairly easy. It's nothing. It's just like any other platform, really. So it's definitely worth checking out. There's a huge audience growing over there. It's getting bigger and bigger by the day. People are jumping ship from YouTube and a lot of them places for various reasons, whether it be political or just it's not working for them and they need to try out another platform. Here's another video streaming platform that has a very large growing base on it. So I would definitely try to get your music and videos and stuff over there. At least just make your presence known and see where it goes from there. Now, I'm actually gonna throw in one more after this. One place that I recommend, Local Music Earth. Go over there. They are a radio station. You can listen live. You can pop in and chat with the DJs. There's always bands and everything stopping by. At the time of recording this, this week's band of the week that they do every week is object. Get all your names, submit, and all that now. The bonus one. XRP Radio. Play on this station every day, Monday through Thursday. Submit your music. They have a very thorough submission process, and you could be a band right here on the home page, and your link to DJs is that much closer because, well, you're right there where they are playing music. So this was a bonus that I should have had in anyway. But yes, these are all places that will help you grow your audience. If anything, it will at least help you spread and have the ability to more of an audience and give you more links to provide to more people. So I hope this was all helpful and enlightening. We'll have links and all that provided on the site and all that. So hope everybody has some good luck with all these sites, and have a great day.